How to fix your repost option not showing on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video of App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can fix if you're not being able to find the repost button on TikTok. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But as always, before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first and first, if I show you by opening TikTok and let's say you want to repost a certain video, in order to repost it, you would have to tap on this arrow button and you would basically find this option which says repost, and reposting basically means simply reposting them to your own channel or simply reposting this original video to your own account. But let's say that you do not find the repost option. Now the very most probably likely reason could be that the creator themselves could have turned off repost. For example, if you are a creator and you can also simply allow to or to not allow to repost your videos, so you can choose this from your settings. If the creator themselves have turned on off repost, you will not be able to do anything on that. Instead, what you could do is you could go ahead and download that video and you could save that video and you could go ahead and repost them to your own account. Now, however, let's say that is not the case, you're not being able to find reposts in any of the TikTok videos. Well, in that case, hopefully there are a couple of things we can do. The very first thing we will do is we will simply check for updates of the TikTok app. So you can see, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store, and in the search box, you want to simply type in TikTok. Once you type in TikTok, if you see an update button right next to the TikTok app, you have to go ahead and update TikTok to the latest version. So go ahead and simply tap on the TikTok update button in order to update it. If that fixes the issue, that's perfectly fine. The next thing we will do is for iPhone users, you have to go ahead and simply offload the app. For Android users, what we will do is we will long press on the TikTok home button and we will tap on this eye icon which you see, and we'll be taken to this page, and all you have to do is go ahead and select the option which says storage. As you can see, as you tap on storage, what you have to do is simply tap on the clear cache button which you see, and you might also as well want to tap on clear data and then tap on the OK button. As soon as you tap on clear data and clear cache, come back and reopen TikTok and re-log into your account, and hopefully that would have fixed the issue. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.